In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and set permissions on your Miro boards effectively. Miro is an incredibly versatile visual workspace that facilitates collaboration and innovation, and knowing how to control access to your boards is key to maintaining the flow of ideas while ensuring security. To get started, you'll first want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Miro's login page at miro.com. Once you're on the login page, you'll see several options for gaining access, but we're going to focus on the Continue with Email option. This is typically located towards the bottom of the login page. With this option, simply enter your email address and follow the prompts to log in. This method is particularly handy if you've set up a Miro account using your email, allowing you direct access. After logging in, you should see your Miro dashboard, populated with all the boards you've created or are collaborating on. Find the board you want to share. This might be one you've been working on for a while, or a new project you wish to invite collaborators to join. Simply click on the board thumbnail to open it in the workspace. Now that you have your board open, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Share button. Click on it and a drop-down will appear, presenting you with a variety of sharing options. Here you'll need to hover over it to reveal the share settings. This is where you get to determine who has access to your content and what they can do with it. As you delve into the sharing options, you'll be presented with three distinct roles to choose from: viewer, commenter, and editor. Selecting viewer gives the recipient a view-only access, which is useful for when you want them to look over the board without making changes. The commenter role is best suited for those who need to interact with the board by providing feedback through comments, but without altering the board itself. Lastly, opting for the editor role will allow your collaborators to fully engage with and edit the board, a perfect choice when you're working closely with a team on developing ideas. Once you've selected the appropriate permissions, it's time to share the board. You can easily do this by clicking on the Copy Board link button. This feature generates a direct link to your board, which you can then send out to collaborators through email, messaging apps, or any other communication tool you're using. With these permissions set, you've successfully managed access to your Miro board. Sharing in a collaborative environment like Miro enhances productivity and creativity, as everyone can contribute in a controlled and effective manner. By choosing the right permission settings, you're ensuring that your work is both collaborative and secure. And there you have it, you've mastered the art of sharing your Miro board.